What are people searching for this week? Well, I'm back and I'm back with the latest Pinterest trends. And this week, Pinterest collected insights around the theme New Season, New Routine. On Pinterest this week, searches are trending for new routines for fall. How are you preparing for fall? Let us know in the comments below. So, I'm going to touch on a few key trends and then I'm going to go over all of them. So, a few key trends this week. There's an 18 times increase in football game hairstyles, 140% increase in pampering routine for Gen Z, and a 60% increase in life reset checklist. That's intriguing. Behind the trends, as always, Pinterest is a place to look forward. In fact, more than 463 million people are using Pinterest to find tomorrow's ideas. And by observing current trends on Pinterest, we can glean valuable insights into what may be trending elsewhere in the near future. And Pinterest is an expert at this. So each week, Pinterest predicts weekly highlights actionable search trends among Pinterest users across categories, regions, and demographic groups. All search queries link to trends.pinterest.com, where you can go and look up key trends for your business and niche, and you can discover other popular search queries. So, growing trend, trying something new. On Pinterest, searches are up for home crafts and DIY projects. Growing search terms in the last 3 weeks compared to the previous, there's been a 34 times increase in DIY paper crafts. There's been a 6 times increase in pinch pot ideas, a 4 times increase in fall handprint crafts. Oh, that's so fun with kids. I remember doing that with my kids. A 2 times increase in fall arts and crafts, 170% increase in woodshop projects. Category trend, getting organized. From meal prepping to facials, people on Pinterest are searching for ways to reset their routine. Let's dive into health first. In the last 3 weeks, compared to the previous 3 weeks, there's been a 14 times increase in health recipes, a 60% increase in at-home workout plan, a 60% increase in life reset checklist, a 45% increase in cleaning routine. Food. In the last 3 weeks compared to the previous 3 weeks, there's been a 5 times increase in Sunday meals, 110% increase in healthy after-school snacks, a 50% increase in protein snacks for kids, and a 40% increase in packed lunch ideas for work. Let's dive into beauty. In the last 3 weeks compared to the previous 3 weeks, there's been a 145% increase in short minimalist nails, a 50% increase in baking soda face masks, a 45% increase in skincare solutions, and a 35% increase in natural face skin care. Audience spotlight, Gen Z routines. Gen Z is searching for new ways to pamper and prep. Growing search trends by Gen Z in the last 3 weeks compared to the previous 3 weeks, there's been a 155% increase in beauty routine tips, 140% increase in pampering routine, an 85% increase in body skincare routine, and a 75% increase in daily routine planner. Moment spotlight, game day style. I don't know about you, but I'm a football fan, so I was excited to see this trending. On Pinterest, people are searching for fun ways to celebrate football season in style. There's been an 18 times increase in football game hairstyles. I know for me, that's just a ponytail, but I'm eager to check out those styles, and you can too. Just click the link below to go directly to my blog, and you can click on it and see all of this information for yourself. There's been a 7 times increase in football game day food, a 5 times increase in football face paint, a 4 times increase in football charcuterie board, a 3 times increase in football locker decorations for high school, and a 2 times increase in tailgate party, which I love a good tailgate. The featured Pinterest board is DIY inspiration and hobbies. And again, you can check that out on my blog below. Have a great day. Bye.